In the early 1980s, the personal computing revolution was in full swing, but one machine would soon stand out as an icon of the era: the Commodore 64. Introduced in January 1982 at the Consumer Electronics Show, CES, in Las Vegas, the Commodore 64, or C64, promised to bring powerful computing into the homes of everyday people. From the outset, the Commodore 64 was a marvel of engineering. With 64 kilobytes of RAM, a MOS technology 6510 microprocessor, and advanced graphics and sound capabilities, it outclassed many of its competitors. The heart of its audio prowess was the SID, Sound Interface Device, chip, which allowed for complex sound synthesis, making the C64 a favorite among budding game developers and musicians alike. Its robust plastic case, in an iconic beige color, housed a full-sized keyboard, inviting users to dive into the world of computing. At a time when many home computers were priced out of reach for average consumers, the C64 was both powerful and affordable, retailing for just $595. This price point, coupled with aggressive marketing, helped it dominate the market. The C64 was more than just hardware. It was a gateway to an expansive software library, from educational programs to productivity tools. But it was the games that truly captured the public's imagination. Titles like The Last Ninja, Pitfall, and International Karate became household names, each showcasing the C64's impressive graphical and audio capabilities. Users could also write their own programs using the built-in BASIC language, fostering a generation of young programmers who would go on to shape the future of the tech industry. Peripherals like the 1541 floppy disk drive and various joysticks and printers expanded the C64's functionality, making it not just a computer, but a comprehensive home entertainment system. The Commodore 64's impact was felt globally, with over 17 million units sold, making it one of the best-selling single computer models of all time. Its legacy is not just in the numbers, but in the memories of the millions who experienced their first taste of digital life through its keyboard. As the years passed, newer technologies emerged, and the C64 gradually faded from the forefront of the computing world. However, its influence remains undeniable. Today, retro computing enthusiasts and collectors keep the spirit of the Commodore 64 alive, celebrating its place in history as a pioneer in making computing accessible to all. The story of the Commodore 64 is a testament to the power of innovation and the lasting impact of making technology accessible. It wasn't just a machine, it was a revolution, one that brought the future into homes around the world and laid the foundation for the digital age.